Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the boiler is switched on and not showing a persistent fault. Locate the filling loop and the two isolation valves near the boiler. This is where you will add water. Once done, check the system pressure gauge. You want it visibly below the target, typically 1 5 bar. Make sure radiators are cool and the towel is within reach. This prevents accidental drips from causing slips or damage as you proceed. You now open the filling loop valve slowly to introduce mains water into the sealed system because a sudden surge can trap air. While you do this, watch and listen for steady flow and observe the pressure gauge climbing. Once it reaches the recommended 1 to 5 bar, close the valve immediately. Make sure to close both isolation valves and, if your model uses a detachable loop, remove or clamp it to prevent accidental overfilling. This prevents leaks and maintains combined boiler safety. You finish by setting the boiler to heating mode and confirming normal ignition and a stable pressure reading. This tests the system under load. If radiators feel cold at the top, bleed them gently to release trapped air, then recheck pressure and top up to 5 bar if it drops. If pressure falls quickly after topping up or fault codes continue, isolate the boiler and contact a gas-safe registered engineer. Rapid loss indicates a leak or failed component that.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.